This is a hot press. It was made by Serhiy from Kiev. He's been disabled since childhood. He has one arm, and this is what he made for me.
Hennadiy Temnyshev repairs and restores antique book volumes in the Ukrainian city of Dnipro. He starts by determining the cause of the damage. Then the book is washed with a special soapy solution, soaked for 3 to 4 hours and rinsed with water. After that, the restoration process begins.
Someone tried to pierce this book with a knife or some sort of axe. And on the last page, I've smoothed it out. You can see that the cuts are here, and they're deep. This is hatred towards Ukrainian books, literature, and I think it is obvious.
Hennadiy is working to restore copies of the diary of iconic Ukrainian writer and poet Taras Shevchenko.
Gluing the end paper is always very emotional. It's the last operation with this book. You could say it's a farewell gesture.
The books were published in 1927, 70 years after the writer's death. Out of 5,000 copies, only these 2 are left. The others were destroyed by the Soviet authorities. Antique bookseller Konstantin Shevchenko bought the books at an auction.
These journals, written by Shevchenko, are unique and different from the rest of his works. Because they weren't written to be published, he wrote this during the last year of his exile in Kazakhstan.
After a month of work, Hennadiy has almost finished restoring one of the unique journals. Now the second copy is waiting to be restored. Reported by OS Tretyak, Dnipro, UATV.